In this video, we will cover how to enter a manual speed that is tied to a region on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button. Select the correct operation. Select the correct configuration. Press the double-ended wrench. Press Speed Input. Press the box next to Use Manual Speed. Press the numeric keypad button and enter in the desired manual speed. Press the green check mark. Exit out of this screen. Exit out of this screen. Press the Start Field Operation button. Select the correct growing season and grower. Select the correct farm and field. Select the correct operating configuration. Select the correct product. This will load the run screen. Press the run screen button found in the bottom left. And as you can see, our manual speed is now present on the display. We have now covered how to enter a manual speed that is tied to a region on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.